Hello, myself Sunil R Nair. Here, basically, we are seeing about the topic that is earthquakes. And in earthquakes, the topic is currency department. And in currency, basically, we are discussing about the topic that is ideas. And in idea, basically, one of the idea that is just now, basically, we are seeing that basically telling that uh, how basically the track basically is very dangerous to create basically, and how basically each and every government knows the address of the each and every planets also basically, which they have, because it's Mumbai planets, no, basically. So Mumbai only is going to take care. It might possible that somebody hijack that planet basically. Then what you will do? Then entire Mumbai will be in trouble basically. That's why basically the software industry of Mumbai city is supposed to track this whole thing basically. It might possible that somebody basically left the Mumbai, and he basically become very powerful person basically, and he connected to NASA, ISRO, like this basically. He told that basically, can you please hijack the planets basically. He was knowing actually, because he basically reached to so powerful person after left after leaving the Mumbai. So he told that basically, can you please hijack few planets basically. They basically were, they basically will do or not do, that basically is the question basically. Mostly they will not do basically, but then also basically you can't say anything. But mostly basically NASA ISRO group basically never do this stuff, because they don't have the control only basically. Earth planet basically don't have a control of each and not a single planet basically. They have not given the control basically to Earth planet. Even to NASA and ISRO basically don't have the control. If NASA and ISRO want to change the planet direction, that also basically they can't do. If they want to send one single data, then also basically without satellite permission they can't send a single data basically, not a single word file also basically, without satellite permission. But one thing is confirmed, that you can send the data from planets to planets. That is 100% confirmed. That is basically the potato example basically is the example. Few people basically tells that basically nowadays basically people are having the passports for country changing. I want to change this country. I will need visa. So in time, in future time, basically they will say that I want to change the planet. Basically, can I do that? So that time also will come basically. That is 100% sure basically. So that preparation basically is ongoing. Reason behind might be shared union, or basically the reason might be something else basically. So like this, the planets basically are getting created, and they are basically getting chained also. The communication basically is getting hammered. The human planet basically is getting more planets basically as a power basically, and the power basically if they get, then basically it's a planet equal to, if they are in the human basically body is getting more power, that means connected with the power planets only basically. They are connected with many planets, they basically connected with many planets, and they created many planets also, that also you can say basically. So like these things also basically are there. Like this also things basically are there. It's not like that the things basically are not there. So Mumbai basically will mostly basically might not be getting this type of problem basically. So few people says that yeah, uh, few people likes basically to give trouble to others basically. For example, the police department basically, they basically like to give punishment to others basically. For cyber example, cyber group basically, they like basically to give punishment to the people basically. They basically die basically to give the punishment basically. And the person basically who is getting the punishment, he basically cries basically, and that cry basically ends the world also sometime. And responsible will be on who? The country basically. But few people says that basically this type of energy is also required in universe basically. So that is brown color. One person told that yeah, entire dot basically is currently moving, that is in brown color, just see basically. Then he told that yes, here it's moving in brown color only basically. And Earth planet basically is not there basically. No, Earth planet is there, yeah, they see basically. Earth planet is there inside that the brown dot basically. See basically. Then it told yes, here basically it's there basically. It's there. So one person told that I want the control of few planets. Then universe group basically told that sorry basically this is not Earth planet basically, you want the control of the planets basically. This is not your Earth planet. In the Earth planet basically you can do that. But here basically in universe basically you can't do that type of activity basically. In universe basically you can't do activities basically. So he told that basically even NASA and ISRO basically don't have this type of activity basically. They can't control the planets also basically. They can't send a single notepad file also basically. So in detail basically we are going to discuss basically why basically NASA and ISRO even basically have not got the control of universe. In next video basically we are going to see.